What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking to add a splash of color and a little bit of whimsy to your outside patio nighttime decor, you've got to check out this gorgeous set of LED lights that I just ordered from Brightown. The best part is they're solar powered, so you don't have to worry about replacing batteries or wiring them into an electrical panel. Each of these strings has 26 little multicolored lights that will go through a variety of different modes, about 8 I think, and it's 26 feet long. Now I'm just going to turn it on, pretty easy, just like this. And then I'm going to put this down and take a look at that. I'm going to put it down on the dark table so that you can see how it works. Now they do come with this cute little spike, and the spike just plugs right in like this. It slides into a little bracket, and then you can put this anywhere. And I love that it's adjustable with a little turn screw to add pressure, so you can set it to exactly the right position so that you can capture the most sun possible. While we're talking, I'm just going to press the different mode buttons so you can see how adorable these are. They remind me of Christmas lights. However, they are little tiny flowers. The flowers themselves are made of a clear, flexible silicone over top of an LED light. They come off pretty easy. If you have to clean them, they're pretty easy to clean as well if they've been outside in the elements. Now I love that I can put these in my garden and they will light up the nighttime just as beautifully as the flowers do on a daytime. Let's see another mode. If the solar panel is put in a really nice sunny spot, you're going to get somewhere in the neighborhood of 6 to 8 hours of illumination of nighttime, well beyond when you're going to go to bed. So you can sit out, enjoy these beautiful lights, and go to bed and they'll still be twinkling. This has a waterproof design as well, built to withstand weather conditions, and the fact that these are flexible silicone really does make these suitable to be outside. These flower-shaped bulbs do a really lovely job of carrying the light right to the end of the petals, which I think is super pretty. Let's stretch this out so we can see what it looks like. Absolutely adorable. You can see that the lights are just about 2.5 to 3 inches apart. Wire itself is super thin. I love that this is really easy installation. No wiring required. Just set it up in a great sunny spot and let it capture the sun's rays, and then you can just put it to work doing all this gorgeous twinkly stuff in your night time. These LED flower solar lights are pretty, they're whimsical, delicate, a nice length to this cord so that I can wrap it around something, string it along the edge of a pool, add a really cute, whimsical, festive touch to just about anything, and make the outdoor space a little bit less dark with a cute accent piece like this. Solar efficiency, weather resistance, vibrant illumination, and they're just absolutely adorable. They make a great decoration to any outdoor space, and that's why these are going to be a family favorite at my house.